This video will show you how to create landing page on ActiveCampaign account. Creating a landing page on ActiveCampaign involves a series of steps. Simply go ahead and open up a web browser first to get started. Now go to the URL box and type in activecampaign.com and press enter to end up in the official site. If you don't have an ActiveCampaign account, make sure you create one and log into your account. After logging in, you'll end up in the main dashboard. From the left-hand side menu, click on Website and click on Pages on the next page. Now, to create a new landing page, click on the Create a New Page button. ActiveCampaign offers a variety of pre-designed landing page templates to choose from. Browse through the available options and pick one that best suits your needs. After you make a selection, edit the landing page content. You can customize your landing page according to your branding and content requirements. From this page, click on Use this template to choose this particular template. On the next page, you can edit your landing page content. Go ahead and enter the name for your content and click the Save button. You can change the text, images, colors, and other elements on this page using the drag and drop editor. You can now add and configure drag and drop a form element onto your landing page and customize the fills and form settings as needed. After you are done with everything, ensure that your landing page is mobile responsive, as many visitors will be accessing it from their smartphones or tablets. Mouse over at the top of this page where it says Desktop and select the mobile viewing option and use the mobile view in the editor to check the adjust and layout accordingly. Finally, click on the Preview Page button at the top right before publishing your landing page. Preview and see how it looks, and make sure that everything's okay. After you are ready, you can go ahead and click on Publish Page button. You'll be provided with a unique URL after you click on the Publish button. You can share this URL with your friends or audiences. You can save this as a template by clicking on this little circle at the bottom and finally click the Publish button. And that is how you should be able to create a landing page on ActiveCampaign. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.